If you need to unlink a bank account from your Stash account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Stash app. Launch the Stash app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you are in the app, locate the menu icon or your profile icon, usually found in the top corner. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Linked Accounts. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Linked Accounts or Bank Account. Tap on this option to view all accounts currently linked to your Stash account. Step 4. Choose the account to unlink. Find the bank account you wish to unlink from the list. Tap on it to open the account details and look for the option to unlink or remove the account. Step 5. Confirm unlinking. After selecting the unlink option, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the unlinking process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be successfully unlinked from your Stash account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Stash customer support for assistance.